Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English language Unit 2. But the Unit 1 is over. Unit 1 means chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and worksheet plus revision is over. Unit 1, Unit 1 it is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. It means chapter 1 it is the alphabet, chapter 2 sentences, chapter 3 nouns, chapter 4 verbs, then worksheet and revision also is over. Okay, I hope all are doing the work incorrectly. Incorrectly you are done it or not? Okay, I hope all are doing. Then now I am going to teach Unit 2. It is chapter 5, Unit 2, chapter 5 articles. All of you take your English language copy. Take your English language copy. Then write down the heading Unit 2, chapter 5 articles. All of you take your English language copy. Then write down the heading chapter 5 articles. Then question number 1. What are articles? Answer is A and the are called articles. First question number 1. What are articles? Answer is A and the are called articles. These are used before naming words. These are used before naming words. For example, a book, an apple, the sun. For example, a book, an apple, the sun. All of you take your language copy and write down this definition with example. Okay? Okay, then all of you take your English language book. English language book, page number 33, Unit 2. Unit 2, page number 33. See, look at the picture and circle the correct words. See, look at the picture and circle the correct words. Deep has a or an sandwich. Answer is Deep has a sandwich. A sandwich. Bracket it is A. Then an also is there. But the answer is A. Deep has a sandwich. Then second, she, it. Bracket is she and it. But the answer is it is made with brown bread. It is made with brown bread. Answer is it. Circle it. Then first one circle A, second it circle. Then third, the melon is red and green. The melon is red and green. Bracket white and green. But the answer is green. Circle green. A, it, green. You should circle here. Okay. Then take page number 34, chapter 5 articles. Page number 34, chapter 5 articles. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. An alligator, an igloo, a nest, an orange, a door. Okay? Can I read once more? An alligator, an igloo, a nest, an orange, a door. Okay, see. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant. Example, a door, a squirrel, a nest, a giraffe. When we are using a, then next we use an before naming words that begin with a vowel. When we are using a before naming words with consonant letter, then we use an we use an before naming words that begin with a vowel. Okay, example, an owl, an alligator, an envelope, an igloo. A and an are called articles. The definition of article is a and an, the are called articles. See, a and an are called articles. Where you are using a, when we are using an, a, are you understand? A before naming words with begin with a consonant letter. Then an we are using before naming words that begin with a vowel. Okay, then see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. A or an. First one, how many days are there in a week? Answer is A. Why you are putting A? Because it is a consonant letter only, not vowel. That's why we are using A. Okay. See. A. How many days are there in a week? Then second, I saw a frog hop into the pond. A. Then see, please carry an umbrella, it is raining. An umbrella. The before naming words we are using you. That's why you is the vowel. Okay, that's why we are using an. An umbrella. Okay, please carry an umbrella, it is raining. Then Farida saw an eagle sitting on the roof. An eagle. Eagle. That's why we are using an. E. Okay. I can climb a tree. Before me T is there. That's why we are using A. Ira wants to be an actor. An. Have you ever seen an octopus? My brother gifted me a toy. An. It is answer is an. Otherwise we will say it is not clear. PDF is not clear. Then see. Now it is clear. See. Have you ever seen an octopus? Answer is an. My brother gifted me a toy. Okay. All of you do the exercise. Given the space. We'll fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay. Then work with your partner. Take turns to the name the animals in the picture. Use a or an with their names. See, some pictures are there. See, work with the partner. Take turns to name the animals in the picture. Use a or an with their names. See, some animals is there. You put here her names. Animals names you put here. Then, okay. Some animals are there. You put the name. Then see, the is also an article. The is also an article. We use the in a place of a or an when we talk about a noun for the second time. Example, I ate an apple. The apple was very sweet. See, the is also an article. The also is an article. An and the also is a article. We use the in place of a or an when we talk about a noun for the second time. Okay. Example, I ate an apple. The apple was very sweet. Okay. All of you take your language copy. First write down the definition. What are articles, then answer, then the example, then book exercise. Do the book exercise part 1. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.